You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in
I am prepping for a video shoot. So today is on Friday and I am going to be shooting the video tomorrow, which means I need to get my nails done and I also need to get my hair installed. I'm gonna do a wig this time. What else? Yesterday I did some shopping and unfortunately I was not able to bring you guys with me because there was too much walking on the streets and I just couldn't be pulling up my camera like that. Anyway, let's go to Nairobi. I'll show you guys where I'll be getting my stuff done. So yesterday I bought a trouser and a top for my sister, but it was small. So also today I'm gonna be exchanging that. So I'll go back to that store at Imenti House and then ask for a bigger size for her. So that's the plan for today. This is how I look. This is my outfit of the day. This cute blue top. Today is sunny, so that's why I decided to go with this top. And because it is going to rain somehow, I will be taking my cream jacket. I'm gonna wear sandals. I was going for sneakers today, but I don't see any reason to. This is cute. I'm going with this bag. This bag always my tote bag always carries more than, it looks cute and I can also carry so much. I also have these glasses. I don't know how they will look, but I'm just gonna bring them because I think after getting my hair installed I'm gonna put on the glasses and yeah, I won't be looking like this when I come back. I'll be looking different. I'm shooting my video tomorrow called Nacheza. So for my YouTube subscribers on this channel, Life with Torilyn, please head on over to my Torilyn channel where I do music. So subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll be telling you more about everything. Tomorrow we're supposed to be on ground by around 6 in the morning. So it's gonna be a very interesting vlog and it's gonna be an early morning shoot. And yes, I will post this vlog even before the song or the video comes out. The song is already out, but the video is not out. But I'll post this before the video is out so that you guys can have an idea what to expect. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome, you're gonna love it here. If you are a returning subscriber, you know the drill, you know the vibe. That's why you're BSCK back. All right. finish packing. We'll be fine now. Hi guys, we have arrived at the location. It's nice. It's I think in Limuru Road. It's very far. It's cold, but at least we are here. It's anyways guys, I'm waiting for the rest of the team. We are late. We have arrived at 7:30. Yes. And I think for them they are on their way. I don't know what, they're 7 minutes away, so they will be here. We don't have any place to put our things. I don't even know where we're gonna change our clothes from. Sometimes that's why I like choosing things. He had chosen a certain the videographer, not the videographer, the guy who's organizing had chosen a location, and then I don't know what happened. He had to find another one because the other one wasn't available anymore. So this was last minute, and I don't think it was. No, let me not speak negativity. So this is what we found. I hope it's going to work. I was looking forward to having a location where they have a house, so that at least that's where you can change. Also, that's where you can also take some shots there, but for now we're gonna be shooting a lot of scenes outside, but we'll see how that goes. The makeup. My makeup is all done. You see how cute I look? Yes, now I have to go and dress up. That she'll fix this part, and this part. So yeah, I'm wearing my robe because I know when I apply makeup, hiyo makeup itakuja kwa inaitwaje, my shirt. So that's why I wore this robe, in order to hide that when it happens. Alright. Usipakwe. Having glucose because it's a marathon out there. Oh, they're shooting. Oops, nywele kwa mdomo. Guys, we are done with the shoot. I'm so grateful. Things have gone well. Now I'm just gonna pack my stuff, put them away, and then we hit the road because we have to go all the way back home. But we're gonna spend some few minutes with the rest of the people, making sure things are set, communication is good, and everyone has also gone home. So I just put my stuff together and we get going. My phone is running out. My DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is also running out, but I'll figure out. I'll charge it. I have a power bank which I helped people. Next time remind me not to help anyone with my power bank. But it has helped others, and so I'm good about that. So let me just put the clothes away. I'll keep the t-shirt on, but I'll change it.
Stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. So why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Stronger. Oh, ooh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, and you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead compare myself to her. But I'm like no other, so why do I bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye.
Sisi watu wa matimu tunacheza lakini tutafunga. Here's a meeting na Bulu. Aya, kwanzia top 5 tunacheza. Arsenal, Man City, Man U, Aston Villa, Liverpool tunacheza. Wale wengine sijui. Lakini sisi Chelsea vs Sunderlands. Sijui Sunderlands menda jitaje. Abu cheki. Ini Chelsea ndio hii Sunderlands. Chelsea wakwale wana proceed hivyo. Cheki Man U wanafunga goli kufunga. Man U wamefunga 3-0. Na sisi draw. Murumieni team. But let me make it clear. What were Arsenal? Hey, kwa comment section. What was Man City? Hey. What were Man U? Hey. What were Aston Villa? Hey. Na watu wa Liverpool? Hey. Hizo timu zingine ya Chelsea? Hey. Na msijaribu kusema Chelsea ni timu ya mama wewe. Uko kwa hiyo comment section. Timu ya mama. Lakini Liverpool imefunga goli moja. Goli moja.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to it.
As they grow, KCB grows with them.
Make a wish.